Good evening from Grand Plain Farm. July 13th, 2025. It's about 7:45 in the evening, and the wind's just blowing like crazy. It's still 92 degrees, so it's pretty warm out here. And pretty windy too. You see by the walnut tree here. It's been a real nice day. Blue sky. Just a few clouds here and there. Not many. And sun's been shining. Yeah, it's been hot. Not too bad. 100 degrees. Edith is being nice to the kids right now. Well, I gotta still water. I got the hose ran up to the house now. Just the freeze valves broke and the irrigation line shut off. Anyway, I appreciate you guys watching today.